Welcome to the Almighty's channel. Have you ever committed to a job before thinking it through, only to find out that it was a bit more challenging than you had originally anticipated? This week's episode involves that very thing and includes a DTF sleeve transfer on youth t-shirt tutorial. You won't want to miss this, so stick around. We're going to talk about that next. Whenever we have jobs with youth tees, I always check for the smallest size shirt so I know how big to make the design. And please don't forget, please, for the love of all things holy, don't forget to check your platens. You got to make sure that your platen's small enough that it will accommodate a youth small sleeve, but yet big enough so that the design will fit as well. And that, my friends, is where the problem lies. Let's get back to the story. I correctly sized the DTF print for a youth size tee, or so I thought. The transfer will fit on my larger platen, but the sleeve will not. The sleeve won't even fit on my smaller platen. So I had an idea. Why not try loading the sleeve from the side? And that would work. But trying to get the transfer on the sleeve straight in this position had me very concerned. So it hit me. I had my sleeve platen on the press from printing the other sleeve on this shirt. And I thought, why not try to use it? Load the shirt on. Have my transfer and my thermal tape right here. Take them off, stack them up, then take them over to the heat press and press them. So the other challenge I was experiencing was the transfer wouldn't fit on the platen that the smallest size tee would fit on. So I had to press one side of the transfer for the required time and then reposition the sleeve to get the other side of the transfer. I also did the same thing after the film was removed just to make sure that that sucker wasn't coming off. So I peeled the film off and then that's it. Always remember, where there's a will, there's a way. We hope you found this video helpful and informative. Would you give it a thumbs up? Or even consider subscribing? And if you do, don't forget to hit that little notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our future content. Once again, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.